Hi, my name is Gabriela Terralius. I am a fourth-year student studying at the Odette School of Business. I am specializing in accounting, and I'm looking to pursue my CPA designation. I was lucky enough to discover, my passion early on, and that's what led me to accept my offer at the Odette School of Business. I think the co-op program is an amazing program, especially for business accounting students, because there's really only so many skills you can learn in the classroom, and it's all when you go out to the real world and have that opportunity to see what they're doing in these firms, in these offices, was just something I knew would be invaluable experience, and that's why it was really important for me to apply into the co-op program directly out of high school. I knew it was what I wanted to pursue, and so that's why I made that decision. I'm very fortunate to be working at a firm that's very supportive of my growth as a young professional, and they really have trained me to kind of be the person that I want to be, and our undergraduate degree is so versatile that is really applicable to so many places. We are a border city, and there's so many connections over there. The professors and the faculty are all business professionals, so they all have that, they're not just professors, they are actually business accountants or finance people. They have that business background that they kind of try to translate into students. And I will say that my fellow classmates and professors truly helped me thrive at the Odette School of Business. Thrive at UWindsor.